What's up, Dex?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing, buddy?
Doing well, man. It's Friday. Take Back Friday. What else could be better?
Take Back Friday, Pizza Friday.
Yep, Pizza Friday, movie night.
Friday, movie night. What's before we talk about the markets, which are depressing. Oh, first, this just in. Independent fact checker. Joe Biden is the worst. So we hired an independent fact checker named Fred Balala. And Fred Balala confirmed with statistics and facts that he is the worst. So let's see. Oh, we have a oh, look, we got Kick and Gravels here. How you doing, man?
What up, Kick and Gravels?
I like Kick and Gravel's logo colors. It's very powerful. So Dex, how are you doing today? Have you seen any, what is your recent favorite movie Friday movie night movie? I never asked you these personal questions.
We've watched so many good ones. Man, we watch a lot of old movies too. So it's you put me on the spot, and now I'm having a brain freeze because I don't remember names too well. I tell you what we're watching this today. I can tell you that.
Oh, okay, tell me.
We're watching Karate Kid today.
Oh, okay, the original,
the very first Karate Kid. Yep.
Oh, wow, excellent. I don't know if I've watched that with my kids. It's hard to remember. Do you know my oldest just had her 17th birthday the other day?
Whoa.
Yeah, it's very odd. It's you always hear, old men going, I can't believe how old I am, and my kids are so old and everything's so old. But it is weird when you're a kid. Like I knew my wife when I was her age. Big time. Like I was already flirting with my wife when I was her age. So it's weird.
Yeah, time goes by so fast, man.
Yeah, and she's wonderful. She's beautiful. And then my other son, my son is about to turn 14, and then my youngest just turned 8. So
our kids are close in range because my son just turned 14. Oh, now my youngest daughter, in about another month and 2 weeks, is going to be turning 13.
Oh, cool! I didn't realize she was that old. Okay, yeah, my youngest is a little younger. She's 8, but that's awesome. All right, so Dex, we were looking at the markets and trying to find something cool to say, but it comes down to not a lot is moving. We've got a ton of inflation news. We've got summer, and things are a little lame. So what say you? This is Bitcoin. It's looking just like it was yesterday. Kind of ADA looking like Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's not too much changing from day to day, man. Yeah. We're still trading in, I think, what was it? For those that have been following me, you can correct me in the live chat if I'm wrong. But I think, what was it, June the 21st, I think? That's the bar. That's the range that we've been trading in on the Bitcoin. Is that what you have up now, the Bitcoin?
No, that was Theta. Okay. This is now the BTC USD.
Yeah, you're trading in that zone, man.
This bar here.
The red bar. That's the 21st, right?
You see, yeah, 21st, yeah, 21.
June 21st, you guys. This is gonna freak a lot of people out. June 21st, and pretty much just about all the major cryptos is the established sideways trading range for the foreseeable future, and that's you pick a pair and look at the June 21st bar and look at what we are today. You're still trading inside that zone for the most part.
Yeah.
I dare you. Pull up another chart. I dare you. Go ahead. Let's take the June 21st challenge.
Well, it's not fair. Theta's manipulated right now. There's a lot of anger, and I'm sort of a part of the weird extreme Theta community, and there's a lot of anger in that community right now.
Well, markets just don't go straight up. They move in price patterns. You go from trend to congestion, back to trend. So that's the pattern of every market. So if you were in a bull market, you're going to consolidate, and then chances are after that you're going to go into a bear market. Sometimes though, the bull wakes back up and starts running again. But it's always trend, congestion, trend. That's how you go.
And I gotta say,
right now we're in congestion.
If you're trading, if you're a long-term crypto hodler, and I know this hurts, but if the market's freaking you out, you probably have too much of your money in it, or you probably have money you need too soon. Because if you're a person who has drank the Kool-Aid on Theta like I have, like I sit in a bath of green Theta Kool-Aid all day, okay, dreaming about theta elves rescuing me from all my problems. If you drank the Kool-Aid on that, what difference is $15 theta, $20 theta, or $4 theta? The only difference is it's on sale now. And what I mean by that is the people who drank the theta Kool-Aid aren't buying it for $20 theta. They're buying it for $800 theta and all these crazy price predictions that people have. Right. So I'm not even sure why people get so upset that the price is manipulated. I think part of it is there's a large portion of the crypto market that is only they only nibbled on the red pill. They don't realize everything is going to be very crazy, or at least, you know, that's my opinion. What do I know? But I guess I'm banking on bigger problems in the future than many crypto holders are. They're looking for like a gradual awakening of culture to cryptos. I'm looking for a desperate turning to cryptos of culture. Right. That's more my outlook. I know that's not everyone's outlook, but that's certainly my outlook, is that cryptos are not only a useful technology, but will be a savior, an economic tool, a sort of a tool to help save us when it all goes wrong. So yeah, so to me, it's like, I'm not going to get upset about $4 theta. That just means I can buy theta for sale. And I know it can be here's the thing. When you're in the market and for whatever reason you're sweating the current price action, it's really annoying when some guy goes on the internet and goes, I don't care, I'm going to buy more. And you're like, buy more? Like, you know.
Well, here's the thing with that, though.
I'm renting a space on my couch so I could buy more theta. You know, it's like
exactly.
There's a lot of those kind of you know, wish and dream investors who just they're not used to this kind of thing, and even though they'll tell you day in and day out they're in it for the long term, they also have part of their portfolio is gambling. And now I think that explains why people are freaking out all the time.
It's human nature. You know, in human nature, we don't like change. And when you've put money, and normally a lot of money, into something, you don't want to hear that it was a bad investment and that it's not going to pan out. Yeah. So what some people do, they say, you know, I'm in this for the long term. Whatever happens, I don't care. I'm never going to sell. I'm only going to buy. Mm-hmm. So when the price pulls back, like you said, they're like, well, if you loved it at $90, you're going to love it at $4.
Yeah.
All right. So
that's the story of Bitcoin now. You loved it at 65. Why don't you love it at 30? You know,
exactly.
If
so
you're buying it for $1 million Bitcoin. Why are you upset at this price ranges?
Exactly. So and so for that, we have something for that mindset, and that is the PulseWaves. The PulseWaves will let you know when to accumulate something and when not to. For instance, since Bitcoin price has been falling, all right, if you are that long-term individual, you're only interested in long-only strategies, right? Which is traditional Wall Street, by the way. Traditional Wall Street firms, they were long only. They didn't short. They only were looking for buying opportunities. So in a situation like that, you want some type of mechanism that can alert you to the best time to purchase something. And there are times when you need to buy it as the price is rising and getting more expensive. And there are times you need to buy something when the price is decreasing or plummeting in price. And you have to know when to do it. And that's what the PulseWaves allow you to do, to let you know when should I be buying more Bitcoin. And I'm here to tell you that, unfortunately, that accumulation period has not come yet. It's been a distribution. People have been taking profit. They've been doing that and or shorting the market. So there were a few opportunities along the way to do that. But at the end of the day, I think you missed your opportunity to get out of Bitcoin longs at 49,000. I think 49,000 was like that. Between 49,000. You could have got out, even maybe you could have got out at 52,000, but between 52,000 and 49,000, I believe that's when we had the most crash alert, sell short signals in the Bitcoin. And there were a few opportunities on the way down. I think you had one more at 44,000 and then one at 34,000. Yep. So you've had a couple of situations where that panned out that way. But as far as accumulations go, there hasn't been a real accumulation point since 60,000. There was one actual accumulation point at 60,000. Like if you were the last person to wake up and realize that Bitcoin is doing something, if you came late to the party, you had an opportunity to get long at 60. and then pop your way through it, and then you would have been stopped out from, for a little bit of profit there when it topped out around almost just shy of 65,000. But that's it. After that, it's been all downhill. So we've fallen from almost 65,000. We've fallen from there all the way down, to the 4,000 and 5,000. We even hit 28,975 is the low that we've hit so far. 28,975, and that was the week of May the 21st of 2021. So that's quite the ouch to drop from like 65 grand down to 28 grand. That's quite the haircut. All right, that you're going from an afro to a bald head at that point. All right. And the PulseWaves could have helped you to do that, to maintain and know what to do with that.
It's all because I shaved the bullish momentum mojo storage unit. Remember, I got my face and I had an accident, and now it caused all of this. That and Elon Musk caused it. So that's very helpful. Next week, Dex, something we want to talk about. Actually, two things, two bits of news of PulseWaves. Here's our. This is very important for all of you, even if you're not, especially if you're not a member. First off, this free membership is going to go hot next week. We haven't done this in ages, right, Dex? The reason
we haven't.
We leave this here because it's more annoying to take it off the website than to leave it on, mostly. But I mean, between free trade weeks, it's also I'm kidding. It has a bunch of free education resources that are really great if you want to learn about the PulseWaves and get our charts and all kinds of stuff. So, but what it really was started for was free trade weeks. So this is going hot next week. Dex is going to be live trading DOT and BTC, not the pair, both pairs, DOT USD and BTC USD. So he's going to be trading those using futures contracts next week on KuCoin and demonstrating that on his live shows. And if you're in the free account, you will get access to the PulseWave price triggers. I'm going to show them to you briefly since it's Friday and we don't have a lot of longs anyway, Dex. I'm going to give away the whole farm just for a minute. This is what the PulseWave price triggers look like. So this is the pro report, and I can't see myself anymore. So you can't really read these numbers, but folks, we teach you how to incorporate this research into your trading. You do your own research, you make your own decisions. We don't trade for you. We don't take deposits from you. We don't manage your account. You just get access to our private reports based on Dex's algorithm. And, you can see simple things like there was no buy trigger today on Bitcoin Cash. Good. Right? Move. Negative money flow. Here's a stuff, it gives you a ton of information. So you're not just staring at a chart and trying to and using, a lot of trading is like the guys who I love, the guys who find spaceships on, crashed spaceships on Mars by cleaning up the photos that they get of the moon. And so like a lot of trading is that at charts. It's para something. I can't remember. It's pareidolia. When you look at something and you start to see stuff.
People do like shapes in the clouds.
Yeah, like seeing Jesus in your toast, right? They see Mother Mary in the chart, so it's time to go long. This saves you from that head game and helps you see what's going on algorithmically and helps you to make easier, quicker, better decisions with your trading. And so next week, Dex is going to show you how it's done with BTC and DOT on KuCoin. And maybe some other things. He could show you whatever he wants, but we're going to be making part of this report available to our free members next week. Also, we're on sale. People, this is not $199. That's a lie. Dex, there are lies on the internet. This is the kind of thing that the White House has got to stop this fake news. They're going to stop people from thinking this is $199 because if you click on join and you enter and apply the coupon code, first log in if you already have an account, enter the coupon code bullish, because we're very bullish long term, bullish, and you'll get $100 off your subscription forever. Very, very, very good deal, very affordable. So,
yeah, you're gonna want to go and take advantage of that like immediately.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Absolutely, log in and do it. some of our
once they're gone for good.
Gone for good. All right, folks. Hey, Thomas. What's up? Good morning. God bless you, Thomas H. my dude. All right, thanks for joining us, everybody. It's going to be a fun week next week. We're also gonna we're putting together a special show we think you're gonna like. Some characters on it. We'll get back to the details. Next week's going to be chock full of trading fun, and Dex is going to show you how it's done. So very exciting. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. PulseWaveTrading.com. We're over and we're out.
Peace.
Take it out. Exit music.